ये एक पिक्चर है दुनिया की विदाउट इंसेक्ट्स, दिस इज अ पिक्चर विदाउट एनिमल्स, और ये एक पिक्चर है ऑफ अर्थ without us humans. Now you already guessed it that we humans cause the most pollution. और आपको पहले से ही स्कूल में पढ़ाया गया होगा that there are 5 types of pollution that we cause, which are air, water, soil, land and noise pollution. But एक 6th कैटेगरी इमर्ज हो रही है, which is light pollution. लास्ट वीक साइंस जर्नल में एक रिपोर्ट शो हुई जिसमें साइंटिस्ट ने फाइंड किया that during the last decade they have spotted very less stars with their naked eyes. As the reason for this is due to artificial lights, even the dimmest stars are barely visible. In artificial lights की वजह से our skies are getting brighter by 10% every year, but scientists believe it was just 2%. This phenomena जिसकी वजह से skies are getting brighter every year is known as skyglow. And it's a major problem. There are 2 types of artificial lights that we use. Number 1 is the necessary lights that we need to use in the light, and second है aesthetic lights जो कि use होती हैं to make city lights more beautiful. Now, light pollution alone cost $1 billion in US. Because not only it has a huge impact on environment, as हमें बहुत सारी mining करनी पड़ती है and we need to burn a lot of fossil fuel to generate electricity. Now this was just the direct impact light pollution is causing. इसका एक indirect impact है which is even more dangerous than the direct impact. हम humans में एक natural sleep-wake cycle होता है and it is like internal clock of our body. हमारी body uses light to perform various functions, और ये सब सिर्फ हमारे humans में नहीं लेकिन animals and even plants have this. And there's a term in plants which is called photoperiods in which हम light use करते हैं to grow a plant. Now using this can also fasten the process of blooming a flower, but this can confuse bees which are essential for pollination. One fine example is Indian Carpenter Bees, which are well-known species of bees which pollinate at night. You can find these bees in Bhimshankar's Wildlife Laboratory. क्योंकि ये laboratory just 100 kilometers away from Mumbai, and due to its sky glow effect, these bees can get confused. And some scientists even say that these bees can get extinct because of this. Migratory birds also use stars to get to their final location, and since they cannot differentiate between a well-lit building, they smash into the glass buildings, especially in New York, the city that never sleeps. 1 lakh migratory birds die because of that. और जब ये migratory birds मरती हैं, directly impacts to the ecosystem, as these birds are very valuable to the ecosystem, or you can say their poop is very valuable. Their poop is also known as guano, जो कि बहुत rich है in nitrogen and phosphorus, which is basically plant food. And there's a whole section about guano in Forest Department of Andhra Pradesh, as it also tells how farmers heavily depend on seabirds like pelicans for their harvest. और जब ये birds गुम हो जाती हैं because of the sky glow and are unable to get back to their original spot, it creates a ripple effect that affects us all. बहुत सारी cities of US are switching to dimmer light system and even installing motion sensors to prevent as much as light pollution. And even in Australia, some cities have painted with dark colors just so they can minimize reflection and are using low intensity lights, जिसकी वजह से it doesn't affect migratory birds and sea turtles nesting patterns. If you are a cricket lover, if you want to know what's the new era of cricket, check out this video, and until next time.